Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to set up and configure Parichay Authentication app for NIC email or gov.in email. So friends, at first we have to open Play Store, and then in the Play Store you have to search Parichay. Parichay Authentication app. See. After that we have to tap on install button. Once the app is installed, you have to tap on open button. Now you have to allow Parichay Authenticator to take picture and record videos. You just need to tap on while using the app. Allow Parichay Authenticator to make and manage phone calls. You just need to tap on allow button again. Allow Parichay Authenticator to access photos and media on your device. You just need to tap on allow. Now you will see skip button just bottom of the screen. You just need to tap on skip. Here you will see select the screen lock type, fingerprint or pattern, something, whatever you have screen lock, you just need to select. I just need to select a fingerprint. Now you have to unlock the Parichay Authenticator app. This option is here, fingerprint setup. Place and make your finger cover the fingerprint identification area. Then lift after you feel a vibration. Just you have to unlock the Parichay Authenticator app. See, the app is unlocked. Now you will have two options here, add new account. One is scan QR code and enter authentication key. Here we have to tap on scan QR code. See, you will see the code. Now you have to move on to your laptop, and now before tap on scan QR code, you have to move on to desktop computer or any browser where you have to open Parichay nic.in website. Now let's move on to desktop computer. Once you click next button, you will see pop-up message in your Android device. And then tap on authentication. Once you tap on authentication and click next, you will get a pop-up notification in your Android device to accept the
tap notification request.
Tap notification appeared here. Now just tap on it and click accept. Once you click accept in your Android device, your Parichay nic.in email opens. Now you have to open any browser in your computer, and here you have to type on https and parichay.nic.in and then press enter. Now you will see this is the Parichay website. Here we have to enter your username and password. Now let's enter the username, that is your email address. Now here we have to enter the password. After that we have to click on next button. And now you will see here option OTP on mobile and backup code authentication. You just need to tap on OTP on mobile and then click next button. Now you will get an OTP to your registered mobile number, and here we have to enter the OTP. After entering the OTP, just you need to click on next button. See, this is the Parichay website opens. Now you have to move on to your profile icon or profile picture. This is your name. You just need to tap on your profile image and then you have to click on settings. And now you will see here options authentication. Here one is backup code and another is multi-factor. Now you just need to turn on multi-factor option. So just click on this off button and now you will see here QR code. This is the code. Please set up an account Parichay Authenticator app on your device. The account can be set up either by scanning the below QR code or manually with the two-factor secret key. So this is the authenticator key. Now you have to again open the Parichay app in your Android phone. So friends, now let's open Parichay authentication app in your Android phone. You see, this is the Parichay authentication app. Just tap on it, then unlock it, and now you have to tap on scan QR code to scan this QR code. See, network is showing 00, that's why it is taking time. If your network is strong, it will detect automatically within few seconds. See, now you will get the code here. Now you have to enter this code here in your desktop. Enter the token. You just need to enter this token here. Now you have to enter this code here in your desktop. Enter the token. You just need to enter this token here. And then click submit button. See, you will see an option app configured. This and this is the mobile name. Now let's log out and log in again. Now let's try to log in again with the authenticator app. Now enter the username. Click next button, and now you will see once you click next button, you will see pop-up message in your Android device. And then tap on tap authentication. Once you tap on authentication and click next, you will get a pop-up notification in your Android device to accept the
App notification request.
see tap notification appeared here. Now just tap on it and click accept. Once you click accept in your Android device, your Parichay nic.in email opens. So friends, in this way you can set up Parichay Authenticator app for your NIC email or gov.in email. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.